Spiritual partner is part of the foundation that's part of the people that help me out
to make who you are now.
Yeah.
All right. You met Nutty Neithan, you guys linked up. That was for one meeting senior 4, but you started doing business with him
from senior 6. Okay, business. It is
okay, moving out with him into different areas and clubs and whatever.
From 6.
From 6.
Yeah.
So how the first time he took you into this thing, was it that you went to enjoy, or you had gone to do adventures, like to see how things are working out?
At first we used to just meet in bars on his shows. Then started going out to different shows up to now. So he took me in, then we became family friends. Yeah.
So your parents just gave it a tick?
Yeah, they have no problem with him.
You know that, so there are some of us who take some of our friends to have, and they're like, that friend you've brought, agenda kwono na. Oh, you're not honest. That me kwano jolina.
This is mobile.
By envy. Some people just the dread is enough. That dressing code, just not people wear even to be. Remember the genie damage. Oh, you're not honest.
But
they didn't give that
a parent, so he has that parental care.
You mean your parents, they were not anywhere? Wali wo muntu atajja kulaga that negative energy immediately. Kubuzaako mulabi wa Brown Skin Events, oli otya, webale kubeerako, webale kusubscribinga, teekako notification sign. Olunaku olwaleero nina omugenyi gwe nina, naye nze atudde wano kuweereza, nze number 0 na head. Webale kubeerako n'ondaba, no likinga, no subscribinga, teekako notification olabe emboozi zaffe. Munnaye no webukeeredde, nalina omugenyi maaso gange wano eno. Gwenjagala ababuulireko abavubuka abato, ababuulireko gye nvuddewe, ababuulire waali kati. Ali unique era ng'oli gwe twasembayo later. Naye ono naye ali unique mu ngeri ye. Uniqueness is the way of being different from other people. Yengeri gy'obeeramu ow'enjawulo ku bantu abalala. Mu mbeera zo, mu ndabikayo. Kati leero nina omwami gwe ndeese, naye sigenda mwogerera. Njagala yeyogerere kuba waali wano nange. Sawa yanjulireko mulabi wa Brown Skin Events.
Ekisooka njagala okweyanza okunkyazako wano. Amanyi agange bampita Musiitwa Joseph Neithan.
Musiitwa Joseph Neithan.
Yeah. Aga stage manyiddwa nga NEITHAN MC. NEITHAN MC. Yeah.
Kati gwenga omuntu ate tunabagenda wala. Who is an MC?
An MC, y'omuntu ayogerera emikolo, y'omuntu hyping mu buzz. Basically that I can say.
Mikolo gyonna egy'obuwangwa.
Emikolo gy'okwanjula, emikolo gy'embaga, school prom parties, can be an MC of such events. Kale, an events MC.
Kyogamba osobola okukola ku mukolo gw'okwanjulanga.
Kati most times lwakwa just
wali kuba nagwo omukolo gwa nnono obadde okimanyi?
Gwa nnono?
Gwa nnono.
Wadde sikimanyi naye nga sigusobola.
Ogw'okwanjula.
Ati kati babayita boogezi.
Boogezi. Naye ate nabo mu luzungu baba ba MC.
Sigalirayo eri oba sigaleyo gye bali.
Waleseyo eri mu linnya liri eryasookerwawo.
Basigaleyo gye bali.
Mwami Neithan. Omuntu yali yagadde okumanya gwe nga gwe mu buntu essuwo. Nali yagadde okumanya family ekimaka kimwe wakulira.
Kulidde mu maka ag'abaana 5. Maka omwami n'omukyala, mwami Musiitwa Robert.
Musiitwa baba beddira kikankusalemu ku kirimi.
Kati ffe nga ffe tweddira butiko.
Mwenga mmwe kyemugamba abalala baba balina ebirala bye beddira.
Ati kati eraba Musiitwa eya double I y'Abaganda abeddira obutiko. Then kati waliwo Musiitwa eya single I bo beeri Jinja.
Beeri Jinja. Okay.
Kaze ndi wa
Omulabi wa
wano.
brown skin events otegedde enjawulo eriwo.
Yeah. Kaze ndi wa wano e Buganda nedira butiko.
Oh, pazi mu Bwakabaka bwa Buganda mwe mba mukola mulimu ki? Muweereza wo. Kuba tulinamu ababeera abambowa, tulinamu abasumisi ng'ekika ekyo kisumisi, abafumbanga emmere abazaana, tulinamu abakuumi, like nga bo kye bakola kubeera okuweereza buli omu alina ababazi, ababajja engoma za Kabaka. Kati mmwe gwe oli mwana Muganda oba toli so tradition okumanya ebyo.
Ondaddayo waka nja kubuuza.
Aba Neithan, okyabeera ne bazadde bo?
Sometimes beerayo, sometimes sibeerayo.
So you're tukiyite partially independent, partially under parental control.
Yeah.
Ku decoder bateekako parental guidance.
Kati parental guidance beerayo ku weekend.
But they can still tell you we want you home this time. Tukwagalamu leero jangu.
Tukwagalamu leero jangu. Tukwetagamu wano jangu. Nenzija. Who am I to refuse?
Course omuzadde Katonda wa ku nsi woogaanira. Manyirawo nga kagiiga ako akabadde kaddako yabadde agenda oteeka mu riziki. Notagenda. Kati MC aba Neithan. Omuntu yali agadde okumanya bazadde bo bakuza batya efamile yammwe eryetazini nga tubudde kuba nti mweddira butiko. What are the traditions at home? How is the culture at home? Mwakula muli baana ba luzungu?
Basically
kola byoyagala, fuluma sawa zoyagala. Koza abaana bakola ebintu byokola baba unruly.
Nedda si kyekyo. Basically I don't know if I'm different. Naye ewaka fena tuli kyekimu. Enkuza yaffe amasomero gye tusomedde kati baganda bange bonna basigadde bayingira boarding school kuva P1 primary, and then me I entered boarding school in secondary. But then me doing what I'm doing, it was after Form 6, and then he supported me. And nga tebalinako buzibu mbuno ogenda sula mabala ogenda kola kino
ogenda kwonooneka.
Yeah, but then it was after me winning an award. Bagamba hey,
bintu biri serious.
Be serious, yeah. And they support me. Bampagira.
Kati kamala kukankuzeeke mabega. Kubo ngambye mwagenda mu Kisulo and you told me that a bit of that story.
Yeah.
Mu family yawe muli abawala muli mixed sex or white single sex?
Mixed.
Mixed.
Yeah.
So mulinamu abawala
n'abalenzi.
Yeah. So which schools did you go to, like society gye wakuliramu?
Society gye nakuliramu. From P1 to P7 I was at City Parents. Senior 1 nali ku St. Peter's Naria, Spena.
How was your experience at City Parents?
Very good. Very good because
you didn't get any challenges so wafunamu ku buzibu kuleetera like any challenges ng'omwana so they didn't bully you?
No, they didn't. Because
it
by
was
the way,
very okay.
As parents, at first nali omuntu nga seefasa abaana.
Nga kijja lwakuba nti otya their reaction towards you?
Nga just that.
Oba nga weeragamu kale?
Nga seeraga. Nga just sagala kubeera nnyo wali bantu bangi. Era nga nina a few friends of mine. By the way, one of my friends that gwenkuze paka naye kati City Parents. Balinga babiri. One is called Alpha Ed, omulala amuyita Tina.
Big up guys, yonna gye muli. Which Tina? The one I know?
Desai.
Of course the one I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kati nga I had no issues with anyone. I just never kubeera n'abantu batono b'emanyi.
That was your personality in simple terms.
Yeah.
So how was performance? How were you perceived in that society the first time you came in class? That was nursery. You went to nursery to that school?
No, in P1. P1. Actually, the funny thing is that gye nasookera kuma kuno nyasomera baby class nursery biki so nagenda ku State Parents nga natandikirawo P1 abo nega neewunzize mabega paka mu nursery.
Titi wali muto nnyo?
I think I was short.
Bye wali okola bye byali baleetera ogamba tumuzeeyo.
No, I was short. So maybe banda bango omwana tumugamba atandikire mu nursery tandikire buto.
So you had the other years were all wasted. All in vain.
But I think it was only 1 year.
Okay.
Yeah,
so they didn't take you back to total nursery, baby middle. They took top class?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tandika P1.
So how did you feel yet you knew you had gone through all that level?
Which level?
Nursery.
Nursery.
And then someone tells you, I'm taking,
Hey.
you graduated even, you have the first
Kati
gown in life.
Obeda muto tobitegeera just
So
obeda
far,
gamba
you knew.
nze kusoma
As long as you're at school, eh?
yeah.
Okay, I get the feeling. So, Abba Nathan, omuntu ali kulaba naffe wano alina ebibuuzo byeyeebuuza ng'omuntu. Mbirina naye sigenda bimubuuza kati. Kimanyi mwebuuza ebintu bingi naye sigenda bimubuuza kati. Mr. Abba Nathan, omuntu yali agadde okumanya oba lwaki when you were growing up, like didn't you get any kind of, did you feel any kind of difference between you and other students in class? Towawulira konti ng'olinanga ali specially treated by the teachers, by the students. Mulimu abaana era nga ye nga bambwa. Newoba nga abalala tebakikulaga naye mulimu omwana ow'embwa. You didn't come across such students.
For primary, I didn't.
So, you completed your P7 as city parents?
Yeah. City parents, and I went to Spain.
How was the experience of results coming back?
Well, city parents.
That P7 graduates were waiting for results, they came back. You know, schools now over-exaggerate things. They give people gifts, they give people money, the last video of that, before you do your UNEB. And before all that, after like the results are back, people celebrate music. Rallies all over the zones where the schools are located. Like, how was the experience at City Parents?
About results, Chema ina ya wakati yao.
Survivor.
Survivor.
What is survivor?
There was a time, nali mu P6, nakulembera batanda basembye.
What? Wakulembera?
Kuva wano. Ndipo ne baddirira.
So you were the sixth from behind. Never know. How was the feeling? How did you feel? They did, you know, and you decline. What about that energy around you? You know that is that type of competition. While we are competing, and is no subject. Like, how was it when you declined to that level?
But to be honest, about when I was man nafunye zino nga kulaga marks because agala kumokinga nti wafunye zino. I've never been in that circle. I don't know why. I've never been in that circle of such friends.
No matter what.
Bachali benali nina. Kale abana benali mbira nabo abasinga. No abakusinze. At least tukupushinga na okola ki. Because ogamba munne ono yansinze ne kankoze ki kana yengeze ko tubenga twenkana.
That kind of energy. Waliwo atachikola nti to push you down. Naye of course mutula ne mugamba lero wansinze mu SST no. Nange nakusinze mu English. Naye kale kati mu science fena takatwakoze bubi, and you're like, what should we do? In a positive way, like compare and contrast your things. Because me I've been there and tesa ne bachali bangi. That competition that is peaceful.
Such competition and such energy najifuna mu senior 1 waka.
Senior 1.
Only.
So how was your vac? P7 vac?
P7 vac nazunga abantu balako wa anti wange.
Wachala.
Because by the time no one was at home. Because I was singing Balinga Mugundi boarding school.
Your other siblings?
Yeah, and my parents were always at work. So, I think wakati tutori asigalawo. Nengenda kwa abakazi bange tubeereyo tuzannya biki paka vaku yagwako.
Tewasanga ngomani abana bamu wava maka agamu nakyala malala. Buli maka galina empisa zango, emize egimu gyosanga that environment olumu maka go giba mirala, nojje waka n'obizaayo. Musane wesanga nga buli kadde okolaidinga n'abazadde bukyangova mu holiday.
At least anti wange dinagenda. Basically kola mirimu.
Wayiga.
Nayiga kola emirimu.
Which was not at home, but walina nnyo obudde obwo.
Andi kati wakana yesa kola mirimu kujja okutuma ku dduuka.
That was all.
Yeah.
All right. Now primary which mwali mubeera wa, like where was your home area? Where were you located? Wakulira kyalo ki akala amatendo etwali bade tukaita.
Up to now.
Zana it's Nasana?
No, Ntebe Road.
Ntebe Road?
Yeah.
Then nobody mitadde.
No, Wakavena Masuba, then Zana. After Zana it's Seguku.
Okay.
Yeah.
The mother sejjukira gye kiri ekyo.
And the good thing, my auntie was just nearby as well in Seguku, so
Nga kyangu mumutaringa n'okuvaawo nga ategedde kye muliko.
Yeah.
So eyo nga tubuddeyo, you came to secondary school.
Yeah, St. Peter's, Nadia.
Was it your first choice? Because twaba tuwandiikiranga bakubuzanga essomero ly'oyagala ogendako. Singa oba okoze bulungi.
Ombuuza amasomero genda kola nga choice kisigajjukira.
Nzagambye nkyagajjukira paka kati.
Because ogenda ku St. Peter's, Nadia, it was because of my sis, JLE. When I was in P7, he had in Form 6, St. Peter's. So when I went there, I have viable.
Alright, so you joined. Towasanga weyo. What was that effect? Ebeerawo nga bagamba oyo muganda oli abadde candidate abagenze. So the legacy your sister left behind. Egenda affecting positively or negatively.
It was a perfect. By the time I went, in fact, the reporting date wagenda fena naye. Nadaga basijje bakyali be bani bonna n'abagamba ono take care of this boy.
Basijje bye biki?
Chief Judge.
Oh my God. Because they were your body our leaders, president and what I get. So I was judicial.
So I got trained, so I was not scared because my mbono ne mkono mituufu.
Ng'omanyira sanga bankolera that path.
My first time in in boarding. Yeah.
Walinawo bali ba bro already bagay guardian.
I think bali mu
level.
Yeah.
Because if say singa ogenda songa start the mwezo class or relative wo. Wesanganga there is that kind of you fit into easily. Abali kubulinze wate basobola. So kati gwe experience and you didn't find such money to bakubulinga.
Kumbulinga first day. The first day. We were in dorm, and then some after prep, because those guys went for prep. By senior ones, talking about prep. So some guys came to dorm. Katinze mukwingira ba dorm. Our deck was the first kanja wakati. So again, ebungamba mbondo vayo. Timukuvayo, I stepped on the bucket. Elimama's naye kanebungamba simula une sati yangi.
Yeah, wana baneni.
The good thing, we were coming about Chikola, the warden came. Yeah, buying the dome yafe. N'abatwala.
Kosa kababi bamanyi bakabudi bakachankalano.
N'abasikamu
ezaabu. So nosimatuka bwotyo. Awo noowona. They didn't get you in that gap any other day.
But then I talked to the CJ as well after that incident. Then he told me, don't worry, you'll be safe.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel the energy that waina katonda wa kutaasa. So exactly. You didn't get at times wabawo bano abawala nga ajana gamba, did you get food? I'm a friend to your sister. Nakuletera ebyokunywa mu class. You know they care for you like a little brother.
That experience, I think ati abali babikola nga bawala. Tebali bakyali ba sister wange. Nanaye kenyinsiba manyi just because they saw me like a baby. So
sympathy.
They followed me. Those girls, there were two girls. They followed me.
Unfortunately.
Told me they asked for my class like the stream, so they could look for me. Mostly on Fridays. Nebangamba, until you bring a uniform. Sunday evening. Because by there was a time to go academic assembly. I think it was second term by then. They were to eat, they were to though for us they didn't beat us. So they were there for me always.
So you appreciate them somehow, somewhere.
Yeah, I do.
So we mwagendera kusomero by awo mwagendera towali yo manyaga bayita basinya wana. Baby we somero babana.
Bana maybe.
That was the name.
Was there some guy who called us Nyongos?
Ago bonagawa mumwera compound. Like once a week.
First we didn't trip, they were cleaners there.
So when you went to that school, did you easily like their
cleaning
cultures?
The dome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Look at right now, by the way, Spain has changed. I don't know. It has really changed than the way it was those days.
Has it changed for you when you look into it? Has it changed like In a good way? Is it developing?
Yeah, in a good way, keeping hair, the uniform. By the way, by some makans. Not because no movie.
Hey!
Not because that I knew or that I refused to cut my hair or trim my hair. Just that guy a very chairman what this what tribe? Yeah, what this he called all the senior ones out. Nabagamba one in fact was even senior one okusomero. Sorry, first time senior one.
Yeah.
One okusomero. When you guys have long hair, you should go to the barber. If you get with long hair, I shall use a scissor to cut your hair. Katinia was a wise ka nganyagala nyo kwera front line bichi. Kanali mu masa one number isemu went. For example, na Skyons.
For example, no one mombi.
Apisa makans. I was the only one that he used it as an example. To them class so kanga kaba mama one never sekirira.
Of course.
And then there's this head girl, Gloria, big ups to you. Gloria, now owning a one hour never can never gamba. I'll write your names.
Mufuna fighter.
By the way, she was my crush in senior one.
In senior one, you already had a crush.
Eh.
Two food day. That's all alone. Simba wakati.
For real.
Musinya one gwengo ina crush.
Gonna enjagala yeka. Senior one.
Ninda kuwali yagala kwagala bameka.
Yeka.
Mugwe nali njagala yeka. Kitegeeza wali olinayo abalala we bajja. Wali baleseewo nenda gwolinayo gw'oyagala yeka.
Ati yali anfaako, yali afaayo.
First wait, we go back. Tuzeeka katamebega. Did you do any kind of relationship thing? Intentionally and unintentionally? Obanga omanyi kyokola nga tomanyi mu primary?
No.
You didn't?
I didn't.
So these things came in senior one.
Yeah.
A crush. Did you know what it feels? Oba walaba bulabi ng'omuwala oyo buli wakusala ma.
Just nalabanga Eva yayimuka mu class Eva yayita ate nga she was cute.
She was cute.
Yali mulungi. Ningamba why?
But by then did you have the courage to say that?
No, I didn't.
Just watulanga awo ne weefuula omwana omulungi.
Embeera byange.
So, senior one ogisomye, you've gone. Did you continue your academic levels?
Yeah, I did. Senior one, actually, chanzijayo. Chanzijayo. Mango bana vayo. Nina vayo buvi. Ngenda kugenda matters rubaga.
Ngo gambe bakugoba. You mean the other levels wali katawana kusomero?
Sijuki chanzijayo.
Wali muchankalamwe. Natuke sala novela comfortable ndo nandiko kole dalo. No,
I think na vayo buvi. Ngenda, by the way, it was far.
Yeah, and it was making it hard for the parents to
not
access.
That hard, but then ngandaba vidi bajja late ate mateka manji migo gisuse. So I told my dad I want to change. I want to work with Uganda Matters. Katu kutwala ku Uganda Matters ate nga njagala dde because I was tired of boarding. Ati rubaga rebangamba kutekamu dde yodde mu senior one.
Echichi?
Results were not good as well. And bagamba kambere mu boarding and then senior two ngoma.
So that's how you. But before, no, you say de kusomero. You mean for you were this kind of kid agamba bazadde shino sikyagala ne bakikolerawo? Or they would sit and assess?
Sometimes, okay, some parents really listen and then understand. Yeah, sinti muno mugamba kino nakikolerawo. Amala
kulaba kyogamba kyekyo kituufu. Kina we kigattirako.
Yeah.
So when you changed the environment, new things, new people, new rules.
Yeah, true. But then, nasangayo my hobbies over city parents. Same class, same stream. Kyanyambako fitting in society. Easily.
So this guy is since boba yawo bayingide tu nawe muri.
Kati bo bajja mu form 1.
So you formed them as they're heading to senior 2.
Yeah.
How was your experience? Senior 2 class ya dalu tewali atakimanyi. Kati wali mu 1 walina crush yokka wano ha. Soko tulire
senior 2 kademo pia first week. Omwala yabuza yaleka walete wakayi nagamba mbuno mu class 2 GB. So they were checking tebagiraba. So the class was like, Udoma Sunday, alete bitano bitano. omwana afune transport
Amuzaayo.
because she was in there. Ana ne bagaana kabuli ne bagaana.
So lidda nkitegeera.
Kati nange nga sibimanyi sibinkwatako. Nange ninamu emputu yange tebinkwatako. Ne baleeta ndowooza tita amanyi okukuba kibooko. Ffenna.
Mwena n'abakalakata.
But guess what? The following day she came back apologizing, which was at home.
How was the feeling?
Bad.
Like, how did you react to her? Mwizi wate mwamuko, but how was the energy? Wali wayagala okwogera naye?
Then nanyiga byange sadda nkogera n'oyo mwana wasigadde kyaka bamusonyiwa. And it was a girl.
Totegeeza you're not easy at forgiving.
Forgiving is easy by then. Onkubya.
Akubiza. Babasondeseza ne ssente.
No, we didn't collect the money.
Babakubye balekaawo.
Ana baagaana.
So senior 2 nkimanyi has a lot of.
Senior 2 sakula nnyo fujjo by the way. I was an easy person.
You didn't have
by the way, I was trying to fit in society. How things work. Yeah, nkyasoma mbeera ndabe kona ki wekuso okwekweka wano biki wano ki
ono ticha kyasinga oba n'amateeka asinga okukuba
aliwalemeramu ennyo. So I was still studying that.
You swear you completed your form 4?
Yeah, form 4 from.
How was your prom party? Who was the prom master? What president? How was the experience?
Our prom party.
Your prom queen. Didn't you propose that day before? Can you be my prom queen? Bintu
Ina mwana gwe siisonyiwa.
Yakola ki? Yagaana.
After proposing nakkiriza. Then the next the ngancha prom because I was coming back from home ngava funa outfits which sala kaviri. Nangamba mbuno I'm going back home. I will not make it tomorrow.
And what was the reason she was putting on table?
Nga munu etagala yere yekubye tagala kwela ku prom.
Yes, it's just like that.
I was like fine. That time I was like, I had like a friend of mine. It's called Kasule. Nagamba blood.
A boy.
Yeah, a boy.
He didn't have a date.
Ngeta ina ngaya ati abawala.
Oba nawe wali okyatyamu kati.
Awunaye sitya.
Nga waguma.
Sitya. Kati nangamba mbu encha nange sirina tofa jetambula ku red carpet
babiri
because very easy. Guess what? The following day ku prom kwenyini twinza wala badets over gene n'aba then fe bali single tuyitewo. I see that girl with another guy.
She just wanted to play cards with you.
So
but
then I enjoyed my prom Gandinzeka.
Really?
Yeah, I did.
It didn't disturb you emotionally?
No.
I
really don't know.
You didn't even try to figure it out?
No. Until you said, by the way, don't atera kufa ku kintu.
Atalemerako nnyo ku nsonga.
Pozi ngonvumi. Bwino kumbya lwaki ensonga lwaki onvumi. N'ensonga empala nnyo ino jimbuulira.
Nawe muntu bamuwala nalaga gwe bawala n'abalina kye yakola.
I don't know kumbya lwaki okatotota very out of the blue. No wala n'omuntu. Wano muwulira reason as to why.
Nkutidde. Omuntu akuwona natakulabanga nako. Olumu bawuliza ebiboozi byabwe. Nalowooza like nasitala wa taking that side. Kati womusanga n'okaminga n'oyitako mu lines awo.
Kibayita mpalaniraako.
Kati waliwo n'aba nga talina ky'amanyi naye nga energy awulira takwagala.
Maybe that.
Ebyo bibaawo mu bulamu.
But then I didn't focus on that. I didn't care about that.
You didn't mind?
Yeah.
You enjoyed your prom, ebintu byatambula. Omulabi wa Brown Skin Events webale kubanga okyali naffe okuva gye tuvudde yenna. Tuli ne MC aba Neithan, omwogezi wa muwo ku mikolo. Kujjako egy'obuwangwa ng'okwanjula n'ebirala ebyo tabikola. Webale kubanga okyaliko subscribe, likinga, teekako notification sign. MC aba Neithan.
Yeah.
Yes, you didn't have a date on your prom, but
yeah.
you enjoyed as you have told us.
Very well.
So how was the experience? Kucha promo salawo nti otabana that's when you got to know what in a date things can work out over.
Yeah, they can because sometimes just since you find national status at times nti mwala ogenda agamba mutekemu kino oba ki ate wali red carpet you have to do something unique surprise oba muwa bimuli you understand
Indako
plus
waliyo abambaza ba prom date baabwe nga baana bamasomero
nga balinamu kasente basobola
n'ayambaza that girl they're going with.
Yeah.
So yours, the one you had booked, now disappointing.
Anti kati ze teyabinsaba ate sabimusuubiza tenayisobola kikola.
Why? Mwate nali sisobola kikola lwaki jogamba wali tosobola busobozi oba busobozi wali toyina by
the issue is nalina okweyambaza ate okweyambaza by that time sizagenda okweyambaza with my own money. I'm a student.
Your parents?
Yes.
But even these ones who give their prom dates everything, sente bazija kubazadde ba.
Balinamu sente.
Gwe tewalinamu. Kyogamba gwe tewalinamu zizo.
Akatonotono kaaliwo.
You had any plans of surprising her with a flower or anything?
Yeah, I had.
Carpet?
I had.
And she disappointed you?
Yeah.
Kale bane you missed out. Obodi yamuwa bingi nnyo.
Simanyi, I don't know.
You were there to view it people were walking, mwejjukira abasembayo abatalina badde.
Wera ku disappointed nakola ngo mutunulide ne natunula wansi.
Ne naswala.
Ettaka ly'emubire.
Lanta yo twensonyi yafunamu ku nsonyi.
Yeah, but then we enjoyed our prom. Because when we went inside, in fact, we sat on our table as boys.
Yeah?
Yeah. Though quite come while we can yatambula yeka. So she mixed us. Atula onaffe.
Chichi yali tomboy, yali talina bubezi, yali tayagala katogo.
Yali tayagala balenzi.
Okay, but she was a real girl.
Yeah, real girl.
Feminine woman. Naye nga tayagala.
Akuba essala.
Oyo nedda. Oyo nedda. Kwawo ngamba nti yali muwala wa ddala ne character. Nga talina date. Oyo tayagala bintu bya like making uncomfortable. Ate kati muyimuke, ate kati mutambule ku carpet nga mwekutte.
There's a girl. In fact, yali ayagala mbere date we. Nga agala mbere gundi. Wata president.
Yeah.
Yeah, prom president. Whereby wali ku organizing committee ko oli bikimu biki okitegeera. I cannot be in a competition for money.
Alright.
Yeah, kati wali olaba
sente.
Kati kakuwulire. Yeah. Ogenda mu competition wenda gamba muno leta 5, wenda gamba leta 6, wenda gamba leta kakadde. Mujjukiramu Jova.
Kituufu. So for you had that behind your head nti sijja kweteekawo ki? Njanzi teribuka na nzige gwe n'ogenda mu space yo. That's okay too. Kati sooka ombuuliremu awo biwedde ebyo mukoze papers.
Zainab.
Yeah.
Ne bangoba.
Ka pressure ne kadda. Ati wali kabaka nga akavuddewo at week nga mwetala ambuka we mukirira.
Akagundi ogamba that time for UNEB or
UNEB jukira prom ziwawo before.
Yeah, before UNEB, yeah.
Kati mwezo sawa mba mukolera simanya nze neta kino. Mubanga abatamanyi nti ebibuuzo bye biddako.
Yeah.
But after everything is done.
Yeah.
Ne mukkiriza nti kati tugenda wali kaliro wali.
Tugenda wali tuwitulemu.
Takitayogera kikukaabya amaziga. Tekikubye tekikonyeeko. Oveyo ng'owotose.
Gwakituddemu.
Ng'okoze. Naye nga wayingidde oli munene.
But then the pressure wasn't that hard. Okay, to me.
Yeah.
Tiali that heavy on me. I don't know why. Tiali.
Naye tusoke tuddeko emabega.
Nze mbeera kale I have that courage. Kito kiba kizze.
Kyekyo kijja kuggwa. In any way. Gwe tofuddeyo kiwedde kitya. Kintu kimu kiwedde. I like that kind of energy. Tuddeko emabega. Wajanga osoma kale yes from primary here you are. What's your target okusoma? Gwe ng'omwana. Muli wawuliranga okusoma kuno kiki kye wali yagadde ojje mu kusoma okwo?
Kumala to finish school.
What?
To go to campus.
You didn't be like in so much so that mfuka professional this, professional that.
Kati olaba that thing kuva primary nga nyala kubeera doctor. My parents knew that I would be a doctor era nga neeta doctor musiitwa biki. So time reached mu secondary.
Reality hit that table.
Kati nga ndi awo ndi byange okitegeera ndi byange. Nokola course gye nakola. It was in Form 6 after I met a guy called Jamie. Yangamba omala Form 6 jja nkola kino.
Kati kamala okubuuza. From the desire of being a doctor. Wano senior one I want to otandikira olaba doctor wa byakola. What were your best subjects?
English art.
Doctor. How are you tabuka?
I'm senior one.
Oh, you're a doctor in art.
No, I'm senior one. Why I changed my mind was because of first time nakola biology nemugwa. Chemi nagana. All those science subjects nezigana.
Musinya one olabirawo nga bitandise okukaluba. Nate musinya one awo tebikaluba nnyo. Bakyakuyisiza kungulu physics obwo.
Kati byaganira awo kati ne.
Gwe n'ogamba obwa doctor kirabika. Kambutwale mu art. So you did your art.
Yeah.
A level you selected which combination?
A level was doing a divinity and art stroke ICT.
Dokita. Doctor nga wachikuba bulala. Wali eri mu art munda. Art subjects. Kati eyo art yo waliwo okubanga gy'oli. Naye era nga ne bwasere combination gye walonda eyagala kutuga.
Kati yote yantuga.
Yote yakutuga ku luno wajinyiga.
Because nalabanga divinity, it's like, in fact, it is CRE. It is easy. So mukola. Chosobodde. Then, suppose enti yampa obuzibu. Kamati yako bichi.
Na enti tadi full of calculation. Okujako wali wali zi balance sheet.
Aw. Then art you're just food. Yeah.
Was it flowing obango soko tunuleko wali muno wakubi ango yenyindo kavu?
It's about creativity. I'm creative in
Which
my own
art
way.
did you do, by the way? Because waliwo industrial art, waliwo these people that art there. Is it the one they use with measurements? Abana bagenda okuba architecture you art go wakola. I'm forgetting the name. I'm forgetting the art. Our architecture art is when I say, but it's art. Bamusomesa. So waliwo no art wa human nature. Waliwo no wa still life. Kati go was walonda ko ziliwa art chigu ali mukola by then.
For us, A level, we were doing human life and still life.
Human?
Is it human life?
Yeah,
and still life, yeah.
And nature.
And nature.
Byoka.
Byoka.
So what was the best amongst those two? Jowakubanga nga tebeetaaga kubeera kugamba nti ate nga okikuba ne ba classmate bo bagamba mwana.
Otera we glass nenjikuba.
Yeah, you were more of still life, not human. Human nature yali akalubamu sevu.
So akuba muntu.
Yeah, yali akalubamu inokuba omuntu n'omujjayo bulungi. Because me I did art in my my O level. Yeah. Jenamuleka.
But the good thing is that at Old Kampala twali abasinga abasomesa art nga they help you and they guide you the right way you have to do things.
So, of course, bodi basomesa babamu naye nawe mutima gwo bomanyi kino kyensinga okola, you get. So, you went to Old Kampala for your A level.
Yeah.
How was the experience of you selecting what to do, the combinations? Because there are schools that tell you, fe wano woba olonze kino, olina kiwerekeza kino na kino. Woba performize batunulira gundi yo. Olumu tebagendera kugwe kyoyagala. How was your experience?
My experience about choosing what to do. Yeah. We had like a group, once in Form 4. Towards the target here for chokola. And first we had planned to come back to Uganda Matters.
And you split.
Unfortunately, bakola ka list y'abantu kwe bagoba nga Gyendi because of some thing I did towards during UNEB.
What did you do? First wait.
It was a uniform thing.
Uniform?
Yeah. Guy agamba nagano muwe empale yali nkwatemu iki. So he said, "Aman really sina mpisa nataka ku list."
That's sweet. Just because of that, let me ask that it was a uniform trouser.
Uniform trouser.
So, didn't that person have their own?
The warden.
Yeah. Okay, it was part of the board thing.
Yeah.
So you had fitted the uniform.
Empale na jambali ya tamu namba. Nga teri ankwatako nga buli omu agiraba.
Aha.
Just that maybe he had issues with me.
Waliyo abantu abaagala okulinda wali ng'akimanya awo agenda kucyankalanya. I don't know why such people with that kind
maybe
of character.
Maybe he had issues with me personally. Wabula byamuwala bali yakisimanyi nenga kyamanyi he had issues with me.
Lindako tutwala sipidi mwana gwe. Otutwala sipidi.
Je bali abasibosanga bakopitinga n'omuyizi ku muwala. Je bali musomero.
So you had a girlfriend maybe?
I had.
So you had a girlfriend.
No, she was in Form 5 nga ndi mu Form 4.
Hey. Kati otuba tumuyita tutya? Sugar mama.
Myaka gye gimu just that yali above me.
Ate era sugar mama balina ba above. Wadde ki? Sugar mama alina ba nga akusinga in everything.
Ali. Sugar mami.
Olaba. Okay, so maybe the girl, maybe the katate tugambe fete twaliyo. Go tugamba.
Yeah, until the issue
so
was.
So for you, your coach has told you that maybe the issue this guy is full. Afunye yoke yekwasa, but the anger is coming from something else.
Yeah, because tukusha kunga mambo no. In fact, we even went to the deputy with my parent. Nagamba that issue is small. It is solved. Ngenda wagaye ne mugamba mpe bintu byange nayeganira. I want to see your parents. Ngamba easy. Ne mala yinebo wange.
Kati yawamba uniform yejo wali ofiti.
Ai najisigaza. Ninjambala pako na mala other papers.
Naye nga kiki every time abera awo.
He had my things.
Aina bye yali awambe.
Yawamba my suitcase, mattress, because that very day he sent people to come and call me. Me, I was reading, I wanted to be focused. So for him, he said that I refused. Tinagana,
what makes people think they have to? Because they are above you.
So all he did, Nangamba, I came to store the worker. So now suspending out. So I did all the remaining papers in Namba worker.
No, nobody is fair. Ate bagambi mbu it is okay. Ate we alope ebintu ate ne bagamba suspect kumeza.
The guy refused me naye. I think he was down. What then? Aganyo tawiza amateka ga mukama we deputy. You understand?
Anyway,
so I was fine with that.
We won't go deep to that. Katubireke. Kasta after road you got your results, didn't you? Hey. So you the girlfriend caused the issues.
Yeah.
Did you continue with her?
No. We didn't.
What happened?
I changed school. Never go out. I changed school. Then I'm moving on and I'm moving on.
So no contacts, no what? You didn't have a phone by then?
I had.
And you didn't have her contact?
We cut off communication.
These things of relationships that start with talking and they end with silence.
When I went to Old Kampala, I saw new life. So
just bucha kumachango omuntu yada kubira buli kumatata kyakuba.
Tachuka.
Ne mubeera awo. But can you go back to how as you see her in this present life?
No.
Why?
Akugambe mu maaso.
Interview avuze interview. Ono simulabanga. But okay, you left that school, you went back this side, you changed the school, you again to Old Kampala.
Got Old Kampala and again my own combination in Njagala. I wanted to do divinity and geography.
And you ended up divinity and
geography. DEG. Is it called DEG? In Njagala. Wagano Jimpa. Vampa there, which is divinity and art.
Stroke ICT.
Yeah.
Because by then now, body button so take our own to but to college a corner you have to do at like IT.
I think I'm kola submath.
Because
at first it was shocking submath, but then when I complained, the Wampa ICT.
It was stroking sub-math,
Yeah.
just like that.
There were no, like divinity ain't art, stroke, sub-math. Then later they changed it.
Okay. I get. So that was your journey in school time. Let's say the schools of O-level. Here you didn't get any challenges as a student.
Where?
Old Kampala.
Old
A-level.
Kampala challenges I was first bullied.
Omulabi wa brown skin events webale kubeerako webale kubanga okyali naffe nkyali ne MC Abai Nathan. Abai Nathan,
Yes, please.
obadde okyatubuulira your experience A-level. You selected your subjects.
The what?
You selected your subjects.
Yeah.
You did your combination.
Yeah.
Things were smooth.
Things were smooth.
Vacation.
Vacation niyo nga nazunga nnyo because vacation I was not kale bayite banfuga nnyo mu vacation. So by vacation, that's when I started moving with Nutty Neithan. Which was in fact kuva form 6 nga nkyasoma. Started moving with him nga tugenda ku shows, then vacation came in nga ndi fully free. Tugenda ku video shoot biki. So that's when I got an idea of doing videography as a person. Because I'm going to call videography, shooting videos. Then a friend of mine called Jamie, a young man, he genda kumkat.
First, hold on.
Journalism.
Nutty Neithan was it out of a blue?
Nutty Neithan namanya kuva form 4.
Kuva form 4.
Kuva form 4.
How? As who?
Yali star kale yali Omuyimbi, namanya through a friend. So when we linked up, became friends.
You mean you just linked up? You got to know Nutty Neithan is there, then when you mesanga wesanzi over.
It's like
you're going for a venue or an event.
It's like brown skin knowing me, then you're friends with brown skin, then brown skin links you to me.
Oh, okay, that's how it was.
So become friends, become tight, start meeting up.
Was it because of the vibe energy the
vibe
two
energy,
of you had?
because he knew that I loved his music.
Okay, and you're also Nathan.
Yeah.
So things, the chemistry was...
Yeah, it became tight, got tight.
So before we continue with the story of Nutty Neithan,
yeah.
How like when you were in school time, you were not anywhere in entertainment?
I was an Interact president.
Interact president. Yeah. That was which level?
A-level.
A-level.
Yeah.
So is it where you got the energy to come into this event thing, or?
Ne club boy ya kola. Yali dormant.
Oh, I told you what vibe. Abana bali babowanga. What system?
Abana basinga bali mu club ndala nga the clubs de rokuna. Just rokuna wala kusata bala olinga room. Wenda abana bajje olaba chali bokale baze nga bana nemutula nokuba ekibazo kya mulinza bala bajje natajja. Oba
zili club maya abana bayagalanganya ebintu bina hype. Ebina nga you have to be ngo basikiriza okubanga bajja despite them not being your friends or not.
And by that time
system yasomero yalete kuwa like energy. Obagamba totakayo wano ku music ku mizindalo
bichi. Kucha music old Kampala.
It is a Muslim oriented school.
The HM by that time was a Muslim. I think ati no kwa music tena suka 10
ate club ya mwali evuga paka neitam.
Kati nga club ya fenga ze njagala like belenga tuanga tuina tukola interact days. Tusanga sort of hosting other schools. Okay.
Of course, at times sigamanti we. Yeah. Abakulembera olumu kiva ku environment admin into way bityo.
But by then those days were by these guys about to have a fly. Used to come to school. The day they came to school, there was a seminar. I think it was a seminar. But no kwe chitu chawe paka regular.
Fly is a what? A team.
Fly is like
entertainers.
No, Fly was a group.
Fly is a short form of their name.
No, it's like Fly. Was it Fly Uganda? Is it Fly something? Go on alaba. Olako go on mission. Wajuda kati it was like that. Maybe it changed
Okay.
to become fly.
All right, I get.
Ngenda bayimbi beereta. Then gundi alimu Crystal Panda. That's when I met Crystal Panda.
Okay, so you started getting this kind of interactions when you even still in
and
school.
Crystal Panda is part of the foundation that's part of the people that helped me out
to make who you are now.
Yeah.
All right. You met Nutty Neithan, you guys linked up. That was for one meeting senior 4, but you started doing business with him
from senior 6. Senior 6. Okay, business. It is
okay, moving out with him into different areas and clubs and whatever.
From 6.
From 6.
Yeah.
So how the first time he took you into this thing, was it that you went to enjoy, or you had gone to do adventures, like to see how things are working out?
At first we used to just meet in bars on his shows. Hey, then started going out to different shows up to now. So he took me in, then we became family friends. Yeah.
So your parents just gave it a tick?
Yeah, they have no problem with him.
You know that, so there are some of us who take out some of our friends to have, and they're like, that friend you've brought. Agenda kwono na. Oh, you're not honest. That me kwano jolina.
This is a mobile.
By name, some people just the dread is enough. The dressing code, just not people wear even to be the genie damage. Oh, you're not honest.
But
they didn't give that
a parent, so he has that parental care.
You mean your parents, they were not anywhere? Wali wo muntu atajja that negative energy immediately. Ajja okay? Naye atandika okubanga omugamba I'm going out with this person, agamba halinda muko kati nimbali nakye nkutuma. Nakuwa omulimu ng'akimanyi gumala wedda ssaawa ezi wona gumalira.
Kati me, I used to tell them that ninayo show gye ngendako. Kati bagamba kalukoma osameka zino genda. Then after they see pics, I'm posting the pics and I'm with him.
Okay.
So they just
yeah. Kati gwengo omuntu, because I'm wondering why amongst all the names you would give yourself Urban Neithan.
In fact, Urban started in Form 5. Waliwo guy bali bamuyita Urban, like ngalinnya erya ddala. So he was this kind of guy ajanga bwayagala ku ssomero. Kyemanyi gyali andaba. This guy ng'ajanga bwayagala ku ssomero. Wati n'ekitabo takireese. Naye ng'ajja n'asoma n'addayo waka.
Did he used to wear the uniform and whatever?
Yeah, ng'ambala uniform ate nga takuba kikalu.
Ajifuta magazine.
Yeah. Kati then.
And people used not to be on his neck. The administrators, teachers on duty.
Kati then, I adopted his style of not tucking in. And then ebitabo ku ssomero. Ate nga eva mbeera naye. So a friend of mine called Trevor nicknamed me Urban. Then tukola group bagiyita Urban Family. So Urban Family attracted other friends in different schools, like Uganda Matters, Rubiri. So we used to get those other friends with other schools, and we combine, like during holidays, tukola meetings, tukola gatherings, tukola parties. Because I remember in Form 6, nakola Urban House Party, hosted by me, I myself. And even from other guys, from other schools, other friends.
What ugambye mbere yok splashing sente chi? How did you organize this thing? What does it take for someone to host a house party?
Kati
bachali bobebe sonda.
Kati that
go take am sente zonna bobereta bwere sikujuza room. Like how does it work?
Before you nab, because you're just after you nab. Before you nab, we had different meetings. Different meetings. Nga tutula wansi netogera. Togera ngomagenda at the end of that day omagenda funamu kashare kanaba afunyemu. So everyone contributed.
Those are the people on the board abalese kirowoozo.
Kati twalina cabinet. Cabinet nga ina its amount gyereta ne one of the members zibalina oleeta so buli omu naleeta kye yaleese tubuukinga ennyumba tugula biki beetagisa advertising
beetagisa mwe muli emmere n'ebyokunywa oba byakunywa byokka
byakunywa n'ebyokulya omuntu alina okulya nga talina bakola ki
so people pay when they're coming in
at the entrance
and
kati bano bamembers bo since you have contributed tosasula because buli omu era alina ID kale like akakulaga muno oli member no that real ID
simple terms zibanga olaba clubs let's say bana ba lottery
like that
okay